Hello guys, in this video, we are going to see how to create a drop-down list in a Microsoft Excel sheet like this. Let's get started. Look, here I have created some sample data for this example. This column contains employee names, and this column is left blank for assigning their respective department. These are the total available departments to be assigned. Let us assume you need to create a drop-down list here which contains department names. To do that, select the cells from C2 to C11 where we need to insert the drop-down list. Now choose Data tab from the ribbon. Then choose Data Validation under Data Tools group. In this Data Validation menu, select the drop-down list and choose List. In the Source field, select Source from K2 to K7 and click OK. Now let's check. Select the cell C2. Select this icon. Assign the respective department of this employee. That's it. You have successfully created a drop-down list in an Excel sheet using data validation method. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.